Welcome to our channel. Today, we're walking you through how to apply for Expedia travel credit programs step by step so you can start saving on your future trips. Step 1. Create or log in to your Expedia account. Go to Expedia's website or app and sign in. You'll need an account to access any credit, rewards, or promotional programs. Step 2. Join Expedia Rewards. Click Join Expedia Rewards if you haven't already. Membership is free and gives you access to travel credits, points, and member-only savings. Step 3. Explore available travel credit programs. Inside your account, go to the Rewards or Deals section. Expedia often offers travel credits through promotions like booking packages, using partner cards, or participating in seasonal campaigns. Step 4. Review eligibility requirements. Some credits require a minimum booking amount, specific travel dates, or certain property types. Make sure you understand the terms before applying or booking. Step 5. Activate or claim the credit. When a travel credit is available, select Activate, Claim, or follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your account. The credit will then show in your Coupons or Credits section. Step 6. Apply the credit during checkout. When booking a hotel, flight, or package, look for the option to apply your travel credit at payment. Select the credit, and your total will adjust automatically. Step 7. Track your credits. After booking, check your account to see remaining credits, expiration dates, and new offers you can use for future trips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.